Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we're doing this wig. So this wig is a Mongolian water wave wig from Curlyme hair. They sent me this gorgeous wig in 24 inches. So she's giving length, she's giving vacation, she's giving Tulum. And this wig is a 4x4 closure, and she's giving. Do you see these baby hairs? Do you see this hairline? This wig is absolutely stunning. I love this unit so much, and it's super affordable. So I actually give a mini review in the end if you'd like to check it out on how I feel about this hair. But so far so good. She's cute, okay? She's giving the girls. And if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so. But without further ado, let us jump into this video tutorial, girl, so I could show you how I got this gorgeous glueless closure. Let me go ahead and prove it's glueless because, girl, she's in there. She's cute. And Curlyme hair, you did that on the lace. What lace? Let's get into the video, sis. So we are back and it's time to cut the lace. Okay, hello. So yeah, we're gonna go in a zigzag motion, and I'm gonna try my best to just make sure you guys can see it. So if you did want to go ahead and wear it like this, you could, but I'm gonna add me some baby hairs with my handy dandy edge brush and got to be glue gel. So literally that much. You don't need too much. Now with my favorite bamboo Denman brush, I'm gonna just go in and run through the hair. I love using my Denman brush for water waves like this because it just creates a whole different wave texture slash pattern. You think your water wave looks good when you use a regular brush. Imagine if you use this. Like, Denman brushes are supposed to define your curls, so just imagine, sis. Imagine your curls on another level because you did these 2 steps. You just have to brush through your hair a whole bunch of times, you know, get those curls really nice and clumped together, scrunch them. And what I do for this side, I'm gonna go ahead and do it on this side. Okay, so now we are on to the diffusing step. You could either leave your hair like this, it's good to go, sis, but if you just want that extra oomph in your curls, you know, curls that have your ends looking real nice as well as everything throughout, no frizz. Well, this John Frieda frizz ease, so we're gonna just take about 4 pumps. You don't want to use too much. This is enough. You don't want to use too much. My hands, and just rub it throughout the hair, you know, on both sides. It smells good too. It just smells like salon, so it doesn't smell bad. It smells really good, and you just want to clump those curls together, okay, especially on the ends. So we're getting that frizz ease on the ends because we don't want frizzy ends. And now we're gonna just get the blow dryer with the diffuser piece on hot or warm air and on high heat, and we are gonna diffuse. So there is one thing I could tell you. This hair is completely dried, and this side is completely wet. Can you tell the difference? You could get that wet hair look on dry hair because this hair is completely dried, like 100% dry, no wet, and it's like 50% less frizz. Like, we did that. Okay, let's do this side. This side is dried completely as well, and this is the finished look. Do you see how nice and stretched it is? The diffuser allows you to literally just dry your hair however you want it, and if you have shrinkage, you could stretch it out so you could get your lengths where. So this one is a 24-inch and it's giving 24-inch. So I love that about diffusing the hair. You could stretch it and it could look just as how it came when it was like fresh out the package, those nice gorgeous curls. Thank you so much Curlyme Hair for sending this gorgeous wig and sponsoring this video. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. As it relates to a bit of shedding, this is how much shed hair we got. So as you could see, it's quite minimal. Like, this is not a lot of hair. This is a baby amount of hair. I wouldn't miss this if this came out my real hair. So kudos to this gorgeous wig from Curlyme hair for, you know, standing its ground on that no shedding thing. Tangling doesn't do that. This is some gorgeous water wave hair. We don't tangle over here, honey. She's wavy. She's giving the girls waves, and these waves are super cute. They are literally to die for. It screams vacation, and I know a lot of you guys are going back out traveling and stuff, so this is a perfect affordable option for you when it comes on to wigs. And it's a closure. It's glueless. You don't have to do anything but just put it on, do your baby hairs, and you're out the door. You don't have to glue it down. That is an option that you don't have to do. And she's serving quite a bit of inches, enough so you could show off your outfit. Not too long, not too short, it's just right, 24 inches, and I love that. So I think that's it. Don't forget to follow my Instagram, which is at She's Your Fave, to check out pictures of me in this gorgeous wig. And don't forget to check out Curlyme's website, as well as the links in the description box for you to purchase this gorgeous wig from them. So without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.